Be showing you guys how you guys can log in into a Hulu account. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. Search for Hulu on your web browser. After you search for Hulu, you can click on where it says Hulu Stream TV and Movie Live Online. It's going to take you to the official website of Hulu. Basically, Hulu allows you to stream, movies and series online in Hulu. It's similar to Netflix. You need to pay Hulu on monthly basis, and I'm going to be showing you guys how much you have to pay Hulu. Alright? So you can click on get the Disney bundle over here. Once you're over here, it's going to bring you over here. So over here, you can select which one you want. The $19 a month or the $13 a month or the $75 a month. Whichever one you like, you can. If you want to go on the base plan, you can click on the base plan. And it says $1 a month, $69 a month or $12 a month. And remember, like when you're paying for the price, the facility also depends on it. For the higher the price, the higher the facility. The lower the price, the lower the facility you're going to get. So I'm going to click on the $1 one select, but you can choose whichever you want. And over here, you're on the account creating page. Over here, you need to enter your email address over here. So I'm going to enter my email address. And over here, you need to create a password for your account. And then over here, you need to name yourself which name you want to be on your, account. I want this name. And you want to choose a date of birth over here. Once you choose a date of birth, you need to select your gender. After you select your gender, you can click on I have obtained consent from my parents' guardian to register with Hulu. Click on continue. And if all the information entered over here is correct, account and this information will be created. After this process, it's going to ask you to enter your payment detail in order to pay for the 1 month subscription. You can also get like a 1 month free trial if you want, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can sign up for Hulu.